Data storage, computing, and networking are Huawei's core ICT products. We believe these technologies will be the key components of digital infrastructure and the foundation of the intelligent world. In the future, we will increase investment into data storage to build green, accelerated, and innovative data infrastructure for all customers.
Huawei is committed to bring digital to every person, home, and organization for a fully connected, intelligent world. Collaboration with local partners has always been our key strategy. We want to create and share value with our partners and customers. We are committed to working with them to help more enterprises benefit from technology. We will also use our digital technology to drive more efficiency energy use and empower a green Europe.
We are a business organization, so we bring together digital companies. We exist since 20 years, so we have been working, I think, in a responsible manner to portray the role of digital technologies to address sustainable development. And we work together to create the conditions that lead to new digital growth opportunities, to foster global relationships. We already heard that partnerships are very important, to define business cases for digital solutions for sustainability, and of course to position the companies, our members, in this field. And our strategy is driven by thought leadership. It's about harnessing the potential of digital technologies through disruptive and collective approaches. We know today that data centers are at the very core of every single conversation. They are the main concern of policymakers, and we also know from the recent report from Huawei that replacing HDD with SDD reduces energy consumption by 70%, occupied space by 50% under the same capacity. And we are now moving to organize a big trade fair to talk about digital and people. We need to better communicate what is the relevance of our solutions for people, B2B2C. We need to connect digital with cities. We need to connect digital with every single sector. We need to make people understand that we are part of the solution and we are not the problem.
The storage industry has entered a new era of all-flash storage and intelligent storage. Digitalization happening globally. Data storage faces the following 4 challenges. Huawei Storage will proactively embrace these changes and challenges to build a data-centric, trustworthy data storage foundation for diverse applications. As a leading global storage vendor, Huawei practices the concept of environmental protection. By building green storage, Huawei enables low-carbon industry development and helps build a low-carbon society. We are in an era of data explosion. Green, acceleration, and innovation is the theme of this forum, and also the development orientation of Huawei Storage. Together with our partners, we will provide high-quality storage products and solutions to create more value for customers.
As you know, digital services influence our life more and more. We created a solution, and this is an all-flash data center solution.
Information system infrastructure is one of the key aspects for modern healthcare, for developing new treatments, new diagnoses as well, something we call super diagnostics. We need this infrastructure in order to develop new methodologies. We are quite a large hospital, the largest hospital in the Ruhr area. Instead of now showing Huawei solution things, I just want to share with you what we did in the past. Because I come from real-time, real-world problems, and I had to solve these problems. And the one is, we had to migrate our Exchange storage. As you can imagine, 10,000 users, actually more than 20,000 accounts on our devices. And we had to migrate the storage. So we had a couple of ideas what to do, have faster hybrid storage or anything else. But in the end, we bought an Ocean Store Dorado. And this was our very first experience with Huawei. End of last year, we bought a new, let's say, the data lake for everyone, for unstructured data, 1.8 petabyte Ceph storage, just for the users. And this is an Ocean Store V600. And after all these experiences, we thought, well, now again, marketing slide, what's the pros and the cons and so on. But the main pro that I can say is, okay, we had 6 projects with Huawei, and it went out quite well. So in this year, we'll buy the next one, and this will be a really high-performance cluster of Ocean Store Pacific ones. It's said we will buy, but actually we want to buy. And our experiences with the Huawei storage solutions are very, very good, and we are very happy with this solution. So the next step will, and this is 0.5 petabyte of data, where we want to, which we want to use for AI